So this is the first shoe buckle that Steve ever found. Complete one.
Yeah. So what I'm saying is this part is this part right here. This one is all
where did you find
if
this?
it's bronze or brass. That one's not steel.
Wow. I'm surprised that this thing's still like intact like this. That's pretty cool. That's neat.
Yeah, and then it still moves.
Mm-hmm. Amazing.
I mean, it's broken, the hinge is broken there, but pretty neat.
It is neat.
And somewhere I have another piece of one that...
So we thought maybe what we'll do is, like, during the winter, where we're not going to be able to be digging as much, Steve can kind of show some of the neat things that he has found before we began filming. So, like, right now we're still being able to dig, but...
Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out
what the heck that thing is.
What the heck this thing is. What is this thing?
Yeah.